Hola, Maricoy! Happy birthday! I wish you stay humble, stay pretty, good health always, more blessings to come. Happy birthday! Enjoy! Mwah!
Hi there! Happy birthday to you! Be, I wish you all the best, long life, good health sa'yo at sa buong pamilya mo. Thank you, Be, nandyan ka palagi. Andito lang din ako palagi in the good times and the bad times. May pera man o wala, may pagkain man o wala, nandito lang ako palagi para sa'yo. Enjoy your day. Love you!
Happy birthday, Sis Honey Joy Vlog. God bless you and more blessings. Thank you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Sis Joy. Ingat ka lagi. God bless you always.
To Miss Honey Joy, happy birthday to you. Wishing you a birthday full of joy and happiness. More birthdays to come. God bless you.
Cheers to another years, Ate Joy. Mag-ingat ka palagi. Happy birthday sa'yo at saka more blessing to come at sana mag-enjoy ka sa araw mo.
Happy birthday, Cecilia. More years to come. Good health and take care of yourself. Enjoy your day. Cheers!
Good morning nga pala dyan sa my birthday. Sis Joy, magpapansit ka na ha. Birthday mo ngayon, Char. So, sis, magbibigay lang ako ng simple birthday wishes from the bottom of my heart. Sis, wishing you a birthday filled with simple joys, warm smiles, and the love of those people who care you the most. So, syempre kasama na ako doon. Again, happy birthday. May your day be beautiful like me. Yan lang. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Boss Honey Joy. Sana maging maligaya ang iyong kaarawan at maging masaya sa araw-araw. More blessing and mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. Happy birthday!
Hello, Honey Vlog. Good morning. Ay, kay naman ay birthday. Ay, happy birthday sa iyo. Ay, more followers to come. God bless. Pag uwi mo ng Pilipinas, ako'y dayuhin mo ha. Dahil babarik ng malupitan.
Hi, dudes! Happy birthday! Ayun, nakatatanda na naman tayo. Ayun, tatanda lang ang edad. Pero syempre, yun lang. Papaldo na tayo, dudes. Paldong-paldo ka na. Pero continue mo lang yan. Pagiging paldo mo, pagsusumikap mo sa buhay, talagang ganyan. Matatapos ka rin dyan. At salamat din sa pagiging mabuting kaibigan. Although hindi na tayo madalas magkasama na. Ayun, nandiyan ka pa rin. Nandito pa rin ako. Nakasuporta para sa'yo sa lahat ng pangarap mo sa buhay. Andito pa rin ako. At sana matapos na para makapag-umpisa ka na rin. Basta enjoy mo lang ang buhay. Yan, alam ko naman na marami kang kaibigan dyan. Kaming nandito para sumuporta pa sa'yo. Yun. Dito lang kami lagi, dudes. Enjoy your day. More blessings to come. Good health always. I love you.
What's up? Aking Mudra, Bells. Batiin lang po sana kita ng happy birthday and mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo. Huminga ka. More birthday to come and good health and lagi kang mag-iingat. Junjuns loves you. Mama chup chup. Happy birthday, Mudra, Mama.
Hi, Auntie Joy. Happiest birthday to you. I wish you all the best and good health and stay as krong as you are. God bless you and I love you.